Okay, as you can see, my pre-op stress and boyfriend woes have gotten the best of me. There it is. There's what we've all been big fans of. Every fat person I know is a fan of the Blizzard. And I broke down. I haven't had my surgery yet. I won't have it till April 6th. I will not be able to eat the Blizzard ever again after my surgery. So, given these hard times that I'm going through, I broke down and I went and got one. Just now. For no reason. Other than that, my boyfriend has flown off to Palm Springs for the weekend because we are stressed. So, he needed to get away. I cannot go to Palm Springs. However, I can go to Dairy Queen, and I did. So, I know you guys are going to get all mad at me for this, but whatever. I ate like a quarter of it. It's Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. So good. So this is my fond farewell to the Blizzard. I will miss you.